I've seen it time and time again. Guys chasing, begging, simping. They shower her with attention, hoping to win her over. They're always available, always eager to please. And then they wonder why she disappears. They're left scratching their heads, wondering what went wrong. But here's the truth. Women don't crave who they get. They crave who they can't fully have. It's human nature to desire what's just out of reach. The chase is often more exciting than the catch. You want her obsessed, addicted, losing sleep over you? Do you want to be the only thing on her mind? Let's get real. The first rule: stop being available 24/7. If she can predict your every move, you're already boring her. You become predictable, and predictability kills attraction. She craves mystery, unpredictability, a man with options, a man who has a life outside of her. You see, neediness reeks. Be scarce, not rude, not distant, just busy building your empire. Focus on your goals, your passions, your purpose. Let her wonder, why hasn't he texted back yet? Who else is on his radar? Is he seeing someone else? What is he up to? Want to know what makes her crave you at 2 a.m.? Mental dominance, not force, not control, but the ability to occupy her thoughts, to be the first thing she thinks about in the morning and the last thing she thinks about at night. That's how you live rent-free in her head. Drop subtle challenges. Plant seeds of doubt and intrigue. You're cute, but I bet you're high maintenance. I like women with depth, not just looks. Make her qualify herself to you. Make her feel like she needs to prove herself worthy of your attention. Make her earn your attention. And when she does, she'll want more. She'll crave your approval and validation. Listen up. Most men are begging to be picked. You are the prize. Act like it. Carry yourself with confidence and self-respect. Speak with confidence. Walk like you own the ground. Don't explain yourself. Let your energy say it all. Your presence should command respect. Remember, she's not doing you a favor by being there. You're blessing her with your presence. That mindset? Unstoppable. It radiates from within. Now, controlling the tempo. Don't rush the connection. Make her earn your intimacy. Let the relationship unfold naturally at your pace. This will drive her wild. You want her to crave you, to truly desire your presence? Then listen closely. Don't buy flowers in a desperate attempt. Don't write long, rambling essays professing your undying love. And absolutely, positively, don't worship her like she's some unattainable goddess. Instead, become the man she can't predict, the one who defies her expectations, the man she can't control, who operates on his own terms, and ultimately the man she can't forget, no matter how hard she tries. Let her crave the mystery that surrounds you. Let her wonder what you're thinking, what you're planning. Let her chase the power dynamic, the thrill of the pursuit. Let her obsess over the one man who never needed her validation, who was complete and secure within himself long before she came along. Be rare and valuable. Be disciplined in your actions and your thoughts. Be him, the man of unwavering self-respect and purpose. Like this video if you're done simping and ready to level up. Subscribe if you're committed to becoming the man she'll deeply regret losing, the one she'll always wonder about. Because when you finally stop chasing, when you invest in yourself and your own goals, they start craving. They start yearning for what they can't have.